Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing whether to fully deactivate or simply appear inactive. That choice changes the steps. Back up your posts and data now using Settings Security Download Data, because once deactivated, you might lose immediate access. Next, turn off all Instagram notifications, push, email, and SMS so you won't be tempted to open the app. Once done, log out from all devices via Settings Security Login Activity to end active sessions and prevent accidental reactivation. Now you'll perform the core actions to keep your account inactive without losing content. If you want full inactivity, go to Edit Profile and choose Temporarily Disable My Account, follow prompts, select a reason, and enter your password. Alternatively, make the account private and remove followers you don't trust to reduce visibility while staying logged out. Also, revoke any connected third-party apps in Settings Security Apps and Websites. This stops background access that could trigger activity signals. Finish by ensuring you're truly inactive. Clear app cache, remove saved passwords, and log out on every device. If you disabled the account, remember you can reactivate by logging back in, but sometimes Instagram enforces a short wait. Make sure to wait 24 hours if access is temporarily blocked. If posts or status still appear active, check linked services like Facebook or scheduler apps and disconnect them. If problems persist, revoke all app permissions and contact Instagram support. Make sure to document any unexpected reactivation attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.